get rich with Sora 2, the viral video gold mine which is breaking the internet right now.
People are getting hundreds of millions of views, not in months, but in days. In this video, we'll show you exactly how we generated more than 50,000 views in just one day.
How to copy their structure and how to automate the entire workflow using n8n.
And if you want to skip the line and get everything rebuilt,
head over to our Skool community and get the complete setup today.
plug it in, hit start, and begin going viral. You better like and subscribe if you watched this far. Got it?
And if you guys want the file, please comment on the video. We will share the file with you. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Alright, so let's get started. This is the setup I'm talking about. This setup is made in n8n. n8n is basically a no-code automation tool. So let's begin the setup. So the setup is divided into 3 parts. Step 1, read prompt library. Step 2, make viral story. And step 3, create viral videos.
Alright, let's begin.
So our setup starts with
Schedule trigger.
yes. What exactly is schedule trigger is, it's basically saying the setup how often you want to run the automation. So the next node is
Get rows and sheet.
let's double click. Basically get rows in sheet is reading your Google Sheets. So in this node, step 1 is to connect to your Google account. Step 2 is get the sheet which you want to read. So we are reading Sora 2 viral videos sheet. And now I'm gonna explain you what exactly this sheet is about. So the idea for this setup is pretty simple. We collect the viral videos from internet, whatever we liked, and add it to this sheet. So this sheet has couple of cells. First one is called check. The row which is check, you're gonna use only those prompts. Then I have the views. This is just for your information. Like this video has 173 million views. That's crazy, right?
Yeah.
It was posted just 3 days back. See, this account is getting like views like crazy. 185 million views just posted 3 days ago. So what you're gonna do in this sheet is collect viral videos you like. What we did is we collected these videos. 173 million views, 261 million views. See?
Whoa.
And then I added the video links where I collected it from. I have the prompt here. We're gonna learn this in the later part of the video. Let's go back to n8n. So here what we are doing is read the rows which have the check mark. Let's run the node. What happened here is we skipped the rows which don't have a check mark on. Okay, so let's go to the next step. Now if you can notice here, we have 4 items going out of get rows, right? Can you see it?
Yeah.
You know what we want? To just make one viral video post at a time. We don't want to be seen as a bot. So let's go to step 3. What step 3 is doing is we are splitting all those video prompts. So we are using video prompt as a tool to split. So let's run this and see what's gonna happen. See, now you're seeing 4 separate rows which has video prompt. So let's go to the next node.
Sort.
Yes, the next node is sort. What we are doing here is
Randomizing it.
yes. Why we are randomizing? Because we have certain number of ideas in our prompt library, right?
Yeah.
And we want to make one video at a time. Like, okay, today we launched this one. Okay, so tomorrow let's take the another idea and launch it. So let's execute this node. See what happens.
The first one used to be a young lady looked annoyed.
Yeah.
Now it's goat saves cat.
Yeah, now the
Very
first
good.
one is goat saves cat. Again, you can notice here that how many items are going out from sort. 4 items. But how many we want for this video? Just 1, right? Double click on the limit node and go inside and see what's happening here. Limit only 1 output, and the output will be the first element. So let's execute this node. See, we got the video prompt here.
Wait a minute. Look, it magically turned from 4 to 1.
Yes, you noticed that, right? Let's go to step 2.
Make viral story.
This is our setup here. We created the AI agent.
Agent.
This node, and we are calling it story prompts. We are using source as defined below. Second is our prompt, our user message. Okay, let's understand what exactly the message is. We are saying here is generate a video prompt using the reference video prompt. You remember we passed the one random story from the last node.
Yeah.
So that story is here. We are also doing some other stuff here. We are using a system message. Tell me what exactly is the system message in this
The
note.
system message is to tell agent basically what it has to do.
It's like training your AI agent. And this is what we are doing here. Keep prompt almost 100% same because we don't want to change the viral video idea. But we want to make some changes. So the change which I'm making here is this. Change the animals to different animals, but still everything else in the prompt remains almost same. Alright, so execute step.
Executed successfully.
Yeah, so we got our title, which is Dog Rescues Rabbit from Hawk Attack. So the animals are changed now. So it makes your viral video even more interesting than the existing one. And then you have more chances to go viral. Because if you copy and paste the exact same thing, hundreds of people are already doing that. Then the description. This description is actually helpful for posting it on your social medias. And there is a prompt for doing the same thing. So we finished step 2 now.
Now let's move on to step 3.
Yes. Alright. So step 3 is actually creating the viral video. Yeah, from the prompts. What we are going to use for creating the viral video?
We are going to use Sora 2.
Sora 2. Because Sora 2 is the opportunity right now in front of you to get viral. Not in months, but in days. Let's click on this node and see what exactly we are doing here. So step 1 is method. We are using the post method and we are passing this URL. We are using this service called Kie AI. So basically Kie AI is a API aggregator. This site has multiple AI models available. So you don't have to pay on each and every site individually. You just purchase some credits here, which is also prepaid. So like you see the credits we have available is this much. You can buy the credits starting from $5. So you don't have to pay much and then you can use all the different APIs for your project. You can find the link in the description for Kie AI. So let's go back to the n8n. And so what we are doing here is we are providing our credentials, which you can get from API key section. You're getting the API information here, add it to the n8n setup using defining the credentials. You can use it by creating the credentials here. Next step is we are adding a JSON prompt to pass the information to Kie AI.
Yes, so it's explaining the model is Sora 2 text to video. The input that it's giving to it is the prompt.
So once we have this setup, let's run this node. Now we got the task ID. Alright, and then the next node is a wait node and then we have to wait. So basically we had given a prompt to make video to Kie AI and after some time Kie AI finished the video and by this node we are asking Kie AI to give our video back to us. So let's go inside the node and we have to pass our credentials here and then we have to tell Kie AI the task ID here. That's it. Once we have this, we execute this node and then we will get our video URL back. Once we have our video URL, we just post it online using Blotato. Blotato is a paid service. You have to pay $29 to use it, but it will completely automate your pipeline. The YouTube and other social media don't consider it as spamming. If you use some free tool or something which everybody can use, your videos will definitely be flagged. So for using Blotato, first add the node upload media. What exactly upload media is gonna do is you're gonna use your Blotato account and then the resource you wanna do is media and then the operation you wanna use is upload. What I'm doing here is I'm gonna select the video file which I wanna pass and drag it over here. So what this expression does is it will bring this part, only the video URL. It will just upload this to the Blotato. Okay, so let's run this node. So now our video is uploaded to Blotato, but we still have to create a post for our social media. All right, so let's do that. That's the next node. So first step here is give our Blotato credentials and then we have to do these things. We have to post. The operation is create. We want to post it on YouTube and then the account. Yeah, in the text section, I'm going to add the description from the node story agent. because we created the description here. So the next step is media URL. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drag this uploaded media on the Blotato here. The next step is video title. Video title we again get from here. Monkeys tornado terror caught on doorbell, which is amazing, right? And now this final one click will publish it to the YouTube. Okay, so let's publish it to the YouTube. You want to do it now?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it.
Can I click it?
Yeah, you can click it.
The golden click.
All right.
Executed successfully.
So now you will see that our submission is done. So see, our video is uploaded here. Let's watch the video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe.